Yeah, hard about to hear this, about to get this little workout in over here. You know what I'm saying? My boy Joe over here, he over here mowing the grass. You know what I'm saying? Another dude named Joe, work for the city. He out here getting his mower on, you know what I'm saying? Well, we still gonna record because we out here, you know what I mean? So, got to go ahead and change my shoes, you know what I'm saying? Hit this pause real quick, but hard about to hear this, man, you know what I'm saying? We out here, about to get this little workout in, you know what I'm saying? Out here, like I said, the library, it's like a little court out here right beside the little library. I got a little hometown, so about to change my shoes up, you know what I'm saying, do a little workout, you know, pretty much stick to some basic shit, you know what I'm saying, mainly just push-ups, we're gonna do some burpees, you know what I'm saying, work out with some resistance band, and you know what I'm saying, just pretty much do something like that, you know what I'm saying. After that, I might take a little break and probably do some ab shit or something like that, you know what I'm saying, but for this little video, just mainly push-ups, burpees, kind of stick to the basic shit, you know what I'm saying. Change these shoes, man. We're gonna get to it. Alright, y'all. We got to go ahead and get it in, man. Taking a couple burpees, grab that resistance band, do a little workout, and then back down to some push-ups. This is going to be some single pumps, you know what I'm saying, probably about, 10, maybe 20, switch to 2 pumps, you know what I'm saying, back out another 10, 20, I'm just going to go ahead and do 20, fuck it, you know what I'm saying, so make me quick for 40, so let's get it. Right there. We got another set of push-ups. Switch to 2 pump. Try to do 20 of that. And we'll go to some resistance, man. push ups we did 25. So I did 25 again, that's 50. The burpees is doing 20. So hit his water. The man put him set. That's 22 pump. Four. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. That makes 20. And we put some resistance band shit in. We're gonna go back. We're gonna do it again. I'm trying to pace myself. And then taking little breaks here and there. Keep a steady pace. Keep it going. Gotta get it in, man. You know what I'm saying? Anytime, anywhere. That's what we do. You in a small ass little town, you know what I'm saying? Find you a spot. Try to get it in, tell motherfuckers come tell you you can't work out no more, you know what I'm saying? Real. Just a little warm up, bring out a little peek in. Shoulder raises. You know what I'm saying? That's what I call that shit. Pretty much you go straight out. little bit. A little more pull on. Then go straight up. Do that specific set for now. I'm trying to get a little hot out here. Get my ass about this motherfucker. Ooh, man, that ain't gotta come off, man. I start getting hot, you know what I'm saying? I can't have nothing tied around my motherfucking head. You know what I'm saying? That's just I start getting lightheaded and shit. Make sure you put it in the bag though. Check this tab just in case. Going from there. Bang out some more push-ups. Burpees. So then get us another set in like that. Try to do the same. You know what I'm saying? Another 25, another 20. there. Pre-workout, you know what I'm saying? That kicked in. Then it getting hot around here. And technically, I mean, the temperature ain't really that high, you know what I'm saying? It's cool. Cloudy, you know what I'm saying? A little shade out and shit. Feel nice, but damn thermogenic system's gonna kick in. Alright. Got another 25 push-ups. Another 20. 2 pump burpees. You know what I'm saying? We got 20 more 2-pump burpees. You know what I'm saying? Sorry about all the noise. If you watched it this long, apologize about all the noise, you know what I'm saying? But sometimes you gotta get it in anytime, anywhere. You know what I'm saying? I showed up, he showed up at the same time. I was like, fuck it, I ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get this workout. So that's what we doing. Want everybody to hear this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Don't let nothing stand in your way, you know what I mean? You gotta get it in. We got 20 2-pump burpees. Take a sip of this water. Alright. Point my damn face out. You know what I'm saying? Get that good sweat. Alright. Good. Move on. Y'all got get it in. One. Two. Three. Slow. Spot. 6. 7. 8. 9. Stand. Size of motherfucker. God damn. I'm burning the fuck up, man. Oh. I'm gonna rip this motherfucker. Oh shit. For real, y'all gotta get it out. Oh. Alright, y'all. Gotta take me a little break, a little pause, man. Y'all take 30 seconds. I'm gonna pause it, man. I'm gonna come back. Alright, y'all, man, we back, man. You're saying hard about to hit us back up in action. Man, it's not getting hot. I had to take the gloves off, man. I'll put it back on when it's time to do some push-ups and shit. You know what I'm saying? Had to get some more water. Crack open this cold bottle. Gotta make sure I stay hydrated, man. That shit makes me sweat a lot. I'm about to get in. The resistance band. This time, second set, with the 15. So next set is 15, so 30, 40, 20, 20, 20. Now we're gonna do 20 each thing. Next set, do the same thing. Gotta be 50 and on for the, you know what I'm saying, the resistance band shit. We did 10 to start with. Alright, let's get some arms, man. 1, 2, get 20 of them. Remember, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder raises. Check it out. One suitcase there. Another 20. Go. Swing both in. Let's go. Nice little pool. Come on. 15. That's 20. Okay. Let's go. Try some extension. Let's go. Over here. Maybe one last little set of that. My poncho right here, you know what I'm saying? My poncho on my motherfucking cape, you know what I mean? Got me out here feeling like Superman, you know what I'm saying? Motherfucking hard body hitters out here feeling like Superman right now. All natural, baby, you know what I'm saying? We gotta get it in some way. Everybody gotta start somewhere. Like I said, we ain't done yet, you know what I'm saying? We just now getting started pretty much, you know what I mean? Only been doing this for a couple months. You know what I'm saying? Made a whole lot of change within a couple months there, you know what I'm saying? Now, started doing the videos for a couple months. Calisthenics and shit, I really got into that hard for a couple of months, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I'm still 50-50. Sometimes I go back to the weights, you know what I'm saying? I don't really work out a lot of cardio, you know what I'm saying? Nothing like that. As you can tell, the only cardio I get is doing calisthenics. And, you know, I try to keep a good pace, you know what I'm saying? Every now and then I try to get a little run, jog, so that, you know what I'm saying? I can jog and everything, but I don't really sprint, you know what I'm saying, and all that stuff, so yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get it in on that. Fuck out that time shoot. Another video already probably getting long, you know what I'm saying? So if it makes the second little video, you know, it is what it is. I had 3 of them motherfuckers. I'm gonna do me, man. Hard body hitter style, you know what I'm saying? Hard body hitter number 1 right here, baby. Looking at that motherfucker, you know what I'm saying? Then we got 20 motherfucking 1-pump burpees. Then do a jump. Another 25 push-ups. Another 25 2-pump burpees. You know what I'm saying? The burpees will be killing me saying up and down shit, man. Burpees is what? You know what I'm saying? Like I said, big shout out to Burpees King, Buster Steak, Iron Wolf, Moses Playboy. You know what I'm saying? Shit 49 Fitness. You know what I'm saying? Brad from my BS Life. Some of the boys be doing burpees for days, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to all them boys and fit, mama. You know what I'm saying? Out there with a burpees, you know what I'm saying? Getting a burpees on in the bay. You know what I'm saying? We'll go ahead and do my attempt and bang some out, you know what I'm saying? Let's go. That's one.